I've honestly always wanted to be a teacher before I can even remember.
I learned that I love learning, and I wanted to be that person that helped students realize that they love learning.
Education is not anything you just jump into.
We are a 2-semester student teaching program. From day one, our students are working with students. They're getting that basket of tools to work with so that when they're out there day one by themselves, they're ready.
Experience in front of a classroom of students, nothing can take the place of that.
We think that in order to keep teachers in the classroom the longest and to help longevity, they need that kind of preparation so that they know what they're going to have out there.
I really believe strongly that being able to go to Commerce and be a student teacher in a real school for a full year, any obstacle that comes to you, you'll be ready for it.
Schools or principals, they fight for our teachers because they come in so well prepared. They come in often looked at like a second-year teacher.
The education program at A&M-Commerce, I really don't have enough words to thank them.